Hello everyone, we are going to learn about the how to use the templates in the Excel. This is my Excel sheet. I maintain here some data. You just go to in file, click on new. Here you see most of the templates. Click on the more templates. You can see the different types of templates: business use, personal use, and planner and tracker, and list and budget chart. Most of the useful templates is the planner and trackers. You can use the daily use. It's in my favorite is a to-do list tracker. They are most I used. So you can choose this. You can see here I already used this. I just click on it. This is a easy template and you can easily use it. Thank you.